The program of events that we have all received contains the activities of the Memorial Week, and they are very well elaborated there. Ladies and gentlemen, this anniversary is not just about singing and dancing. It is not about showering praises on the great names of the Nigerian theatre, only to forget about them after the celebration has ended. It is about the propagation of ideas, finding solutions to problems already well articulated by men and women of great learning. How much do we know about our country's cultural heritage, about the great potential of our arts and traditions? Why should we have to wait until our country's cultural artifacts are stolen and auctioned before we care about them? Are the artists of our great country, Nigeria, worth thinking about? Or are they just mere entertainers, good for television adverts and commercial campaigns? All these questions are not new, and they have been asked several times in the past. The object of the Ogunde anniversary this year, and in all the several decades to come, is that practical solutions be provided. We do not want to see fine plays being written without actors and actresses to stage them. We do not want budding artists to be discouraged simply because they have ideas but they lack the wherewithal to actualize them. We do not want gifted singers, dancers, actors, actresses in the hinterland to lose their vitality due to lack of interest and lack of support. We want that unique and indigenous Nigerian theatre which has combined the beauty and richness of the Hausa, Fulani, Kaji, Gwari, Yoruba, Kanuri, Igbo, Tiv, Ebira, Ogun, Urobo, Shekiri, Isham, Idoma, and all other great ethnic groups of Nigeria to be lifted out once and for all.